Once upon a time when humans had to do everything by themselves, digging wells with their hands, making fire with stones, transporting themselves with animals, we had to work tediously and manually to get things done. Many did not even pay attention to religion. They just wanted to wild stroll life, make a living, and then die. Fast forward to now. Through the introduction of technology and modern invention, we've been able to find better ways of getting tasks done and basically release stress for ourselves. It started with going to your workplace in the morning and working 9 to 5 to literally not having to leave your house to go to any physical location to work, staying home and working on the internet and making so much money. Now you can optimize your life, become a productive person and get things done when you want them done. Hey guys, I'm Emmanuel and you're welcome to my space on YouTube. In this video, I'm going to be showing you what this channel is all about, and it's pretty much about the things I've mentioned already. 3 areas: tech, life, and finance. Ever wondered how to navigate the latest tech gadgets and tech trends while juggling the chaos of everyday life? It can be confusing, it can be mind-boggling. Well, you are at the right place. On this channel, we're going to be exploring the fascinating intersection of tech, life, and finance, while also having a ton of fun along the way. So expect mind-blowing tech reviews that will make your jaw drop and fascinating life hacks that will make you go,
why you better think about that?
And financial tips that will make you do a happy dance with your wallet. But wait, there's more. We're not just about the serious stuff here. I believe in learning with a side of laughter. So get ready for hilarious bloopers, epic challenges, and who knows, maybe a giveaway or two. If you're tired of boring tech channels, life advice that puts you to sleep, unrealistic motivational speeches, and financial advice that makes your head spin. So if you're looking for practical ways to become more productive, you want to do what you've set out to do, when you set out to do it, and at the time you set out to do it, then hit that subscribe button. Remember, it's tech, life, and finance, where tech gets real, life gets awesome, and finance gets fabulous. You know what else will be fabulous? Hitting that subscribe button. See ya!